Imagine a vast, heavy sponge floating in the sky. This sponge is a cloud filled to the brim with water droplets. Normally it releases this water gently as rain that patters softly on the ground. But sometimes, something extraordinary happens. The cloud releases all its water at once in a sudden overwhelming torrent. This is a cloudburst. It is not just heavy rain, it is a deluge, a colossal amount of water falling in a very small area over a short period. The official measure is remarkable, over 100 millimeters of rainfall per hour. A cloudburst is specifically linked to a particular type of cloud, the cumulonimbus. These are the towering giants of the sky, the thunderclouds that can stretch miles high into the atmosphere. Mountains are the great sculptors of our world's weather, and they play a crucial role in the formation of cloudbursts. As a warm, moisture-laden cloud approaches a mountain range, it has nowhere to go but up. This process is known as orographic lift. The air is forced to rise along the mountain slope, and as it ascends, it cools rapidly. These currents are powerful enough to hold enormous quantities of water droplets suspended high in the atmosphere. The cloud continues to gather moisture, growing heavier and more unstable with each passing moment. If the upward push of air weakens even for a moment, the cloud's delicate balance is broken. The result is a sudden, catastrophic release of water. The region of Jammu and Kashmir is a land of breathtaking beauty and stark contrasts. It is home to some of the world's most formidable mountain ranges, including the Pir Panjal and the Great Himalayas. During the monsoon season, warm, moist winds travel north from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. As this moisture-rich air arrives in Jammu and Kashmir, it is met by the unyielding barrier of the Himalayas. When a cloudburst occurs, the water has nowhere to go but down, and it travels with incredible speed and force. It cascades down the mountainsides, gathering soil, rocks, and boulders, creating flash floods and landslides. Roads can be washed away, isolating entire communities for days or weeks. Homes, farms, and livestock can be lost in a matter of minutes. The impact is not just physical but also emotional and economic. While we cannot stop a cloudburst from happening, we can take steps to mitigate its impact. Modern meteorology, with advanced satellite imagery and weather modeling, is becoming increasingly adept at identifying the conditions that could lead to a cloudburst. Community preparedness is also key. This involves educating people about the risks and building homes and critical infrastructure away from historically vulnerable areas. Reforestation projects and the construction of retaining walls on unstable slopes can help reduce the risk of landslides by stabilizing the soil, making the landscape more resilient to intense rainfall. By combining scientific understanding with local wisdom and community action, we can build a safer future. We can learn to listen to the warnings the mountains give us and to live in greater harmony with the magnificent, wild, and unpredictable landscapes we are privileged to inhabit.